20 years. I think your guests are beginning to arrive.
Hello, Paul Jones. I'm strange cousin Susan.
Sorry I'm late.
Hello, darling. Nice to see you.
Hello, Harry.
Hi.
Excuse me.
Let's hear it for the West family. Some kind of joke?
Hardly. You certainly come from forward thinking stock.
Because I know something you don't. If Alison Crosby is still alive and hasn't yet dropped dead from overwork, invested for 20 years,
Well, no necklace. I've just had dinner with a man who's been dead 20 years. I'm in a house in the middle of nowhere without a telephone.
It sounds as if Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn are at it again.
An asylum for the criminally insane. We're just up the road.
Oh, wow, that's convenient.
Well, when he got out, he was wearing a long coat and a black slouch hat. I'm asking everyone in the area to lock themselves in until morning. But, wasn't it Bertrand Russell who asked, what is a killer but a hero out of uniform?
What's on our side, Mr. Hendricks?
My entire staff.
This is Miss Cecily Yan.
How do you do?
Are you going to stay with us all night?
Wish I could. Somewhat mutilated when they found it.
After the shots, I fainted. I never remembered anything after that.
And sharks are the worst killers and the most bloodthirsty creatures in nature. Once here, and once here. He succeeded in getting his hands on me. It took 3 good men to get him off. I prefer to think that he is the prisoner out there. I wish you all a good night.
Everyone seems to be looking around your beautiful house. I think I will too. See you later. I want to talk to you.
Okay.
just wanted to see if everything was all right. Not nervous, are you?
No.
Good.
Hi.
Oh.
I don't know what to say.
Stop that.
I can't help it. Yay!
Be brave.
I don't care about money. Not even that's original. I just saw it in the Scarlet Pimpernel. Annabelle, I'm hopeless. Save me, please.
Annabelle, you've been through a lot tonight.
There is no end to what we can do together.